Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku number 7381. In today's newspaper of Thursday, November the 2nd, 2023, and I've already solved 3 puzzles in this additional, the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku. Yes. And this one, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. But it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Only one single box, always a 1. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. I see here. This is the next question. Do we have here triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box. Contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Well, can it be a 5? We have a 5 here, so this box should be a 4. And the other side, the box near the middle box, 4 or a 5. Okay. More triple boxes here. No quadra boxes then. Do we have here quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Only 1 quadra box. Yes. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes here? Another 1, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Here, another 1. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about the Z or the S construction? If you rotate this, you will get the S. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Alright, only 1 S shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Wait. Let me draw this shape then. Here. Oh. This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Only 1 shape. Alright, then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only one shape, yeah. Do we have more? Yeah. This shape, the L shape. Upside down. Rotated. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes. 5 shapes, figures, structures or constructions, whatever you name it. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 5 of them. I think the T shape is missing here. Yeah, the T shape. Whatever. Yeah. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So one box left with a 2 in this area should be here. These are 3 boxes. So 1 and 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Then, let me see. Yeah, let me think. These are 3 boxes. So 1 and 1 can be 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area should be here. This box can be 2. This box can be 3. So 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So 1 digit left in this area should be for the number 4. Is connected with that box should be also 4. A 1 box left in this S construction for number 5. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. Well, that means that this box can be 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here. 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this quarter box. 1 number is 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Okay. These 3 boxes. So 1 and 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. Then this box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, and those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Is connected with that box, should be also 1. Well, this box can be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Well, this box can be a 2. We have a 2 here. And it's also connected with that box. So cannot be a 2. So it can be a 2, can be a 1, can be 3, can be 5. So this box should be definitely a 4. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be in the 4. 3 goes there. Not the 4. 3 goes there. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. These 3 boxes surrounding 5 can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surrounded 2. Oh, we already have a 2 there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1. And the 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. Then. Let me go up. Yeah, these 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 5 there. That means that this box can be 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I can fill in the 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 supposed to be here. Alright. Okay. Then these two boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 4, so one box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. Two numbers left in this L-shaped area for us. 3 to 5, 3 to 5. That means that those two boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. Well, these two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be... Oh, well, we have another 1 here. So here can be a 1, and these two boxes can be a 1. So one box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Alright. Now. Two boxes left in this area from us 3 to 5. 3 to 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Should be a 4, can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely a 4. Two numbers left in this area from us 3 and 5 again. 3 to 5. Well, let me mark those. Alright. 1, 2, 5, 3 to 4. 4 to 5. Well. Here can it be a 4, 4, 4. Interesting. Well. These three boxes. Well, the 1 can be 1. So one box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. No one there. This should be the 1. Oh, no one there. The 1, yeah. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. 2. Need a 2 here. 3 to 4. 3 to 4, okay. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Well. Let me think. 1. Well, these two boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 in this triple box could be here, could be there. Yeah, okay. But it's not helping me. This could be 2. 1, 2, 3. Well. I need to think here. 3 to 5. Here can be 4. 1. I'm thinking. We have a double 1 here. That means that this box can be a 1. Can also not be a 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area. Number 2. It means that those two boxes can be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So I've eliminated the 3 here. So the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box should be also 3. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 2. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 2 there. The 2 supposed to be here. Okay, this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 and a 4, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 or a 5, we have a 3 now, so this box should be a 5, and that box should be a 3. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left with the 2 in this area. Should be here. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be a 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be also 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. And these two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5. 1 digit left in this area for number 4. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So we are pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow on Friday. We have the a speed test the first Friday of the month. So see you then. Bye bye for now.